Current hex cost generally is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in a kind of enormous way. Hex cost investigation explicitly is negative today, which generally is genuinely critical. First help level for hex truly is at 3 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. The 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Sought clarification on some things. What for the most part is truly transient cost expectation for hex, basically is hex a genuinely wise interest amazingly. Hex help in opposition levels and so forth, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping sort of profound into the hex specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us explicitly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,143,010,892,478, which especially is genuinely critical. The very complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $31,276,248,695 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they in a real sense thought, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76% in an extremely significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time span, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 1.98 and presently exchanging at 52 cents in a huge manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a truly descending heading for especially present moment, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a by and large broad truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish in every way that really matters. Key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support basically is a level at which purchasers generally become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers in a real sense move especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they really thought. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The day-to-day outline of hex most certainly shows that the hex cost truly has a really descending development with a 1.19% reduction in lovely beyond 24 hours. The value worth of the hex coin by and large is remaining at 3 cents with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 USD, which especially is genuinely critical. Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $3,738,949 USD, especially further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for the 2nd of June 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time period basically made sense of beneath, showing how yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the hex specialized examination. Generally let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving exceptionally normal intermingling and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving essentially normal and dramatic moving fundamentally normal to truly investigate the future development of the hex, showing that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 1.98 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, or so they explicitly thought. The MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how furthermore Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely critical. HEX financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, which especially shows that however prior to jumping extremely profound into the HEX specialized investigation, let us discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they really thought. HEX essentially has a sort of the closest opposition of 3 cents, exhibiting that help certainly is a level at which purchasers truly become essentially more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would fundamentally support the upswing energy. Pretty further appearance how similarly opposition especially is a level at which dealers really become move especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at 3 cents, which sort of shows that HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers especially betray the HEX, the fundamentally bears could handle the market and most certainly take HEX cost underneath the vital help level of 3 cents, showing how first help level for HEX in a real sense is at 3 cents in a huge manner. While HEX's Williams %R marker truly is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, by exchange in every practical sense. Signal basically is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that HEX cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week while the exchanging volume fundamentally is drifting around $3,738,949 USD. Kind of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is very critical. The exceptionally relative strength file demonstrates that the HEX coin especially is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI generally is at 54, showing how HEX help and obstruction levels and so forth, really in spite of mainstream thinking, HEX generally is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to fundamentally suggest that the digital money in every practical sense is in a problematic circumstance that can't explicitly be redressed. So various elective digital forms of money, as ETHEREUM basically has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. Regardless of whether the cost especially is falling consistently, it truly is guessed that the two help levels will generally act as kind of solid hindrances and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the exceptionally certain zone, showing how we use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving extremely normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving certainly normal to all things considered. Break down the future development of the HEX, exhibiting that XRP the essentially local coin of XRP